Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want us to prepare a tamarind porridge ama uji wa mkwaju, and I want to introduce you to my ingredients. The first ingredient is my tamarind. I have sugar, there is water, and finally our porridge flour. So to begin, I'm going to add 2 spoons of flour in a mixing bowl like this. So the amount of flour you're going to add depends with how much or the amount of porridge that you want to prepare for your family. So mine, I'm going to use 2 spoons. Then the next thing that I'm going